Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Thai Chamari from Kenahon Vidyalaya School. Today, I'm very proud to present my project on the topic of external parasitic infestation in goldfish, process of us, if I can profit in Thailand. Project advisor, Ms. Chutit Bundi and Mr. Pampudi. Introduction. Everyone knows goldfish. Goldfish is kind of ornamental fish. Goldfish is very popular because it is cheap and is very beautiful. But it can die easily, so we waste of money and feel bad. The big problem is the external parasite because external parasite is the main reason of fish death. External parasite lead to fungi, bacteria and virus can infect it, called secondary infection. And what is external parasite? First, we know the parasite. Definition of parasite is an organism that live on and derive nutrient from another organism called a host. And external means outer. Or external parasite or ectoparasite is a parasite that live outside the host. In fish, external parasites can live in the skin, fish scale, fin, soil cavity, gill filament, and mucus. An objective. This project to study external parasitic infestation or to study kind of parasite in goldfish. Material method. During the 1st of June to 10th July 2011, fish were collected from 3 sources in Khon province. Here's Khon and Chon district. The first place is Khon farm. Khon farm is a big farm that have goldfish and send it to many places. And Khon Farm pet shop and Sawatong fish shop. Then bring it to school lab. Notice the swimming behavior, shows the nearly died fish and not like cooling water. Measure the total length and scrape mucus on slide. Observe parasite by light microscope. Then cut the gill and cover by cover slip. Observe parasite by light microscope too. The results general data. Our water temperature is around 27 to 28 degrees Celsius. And fish is in indoor well and have oxygen pump. And separate disorder fish to study. The results show that fish from Khon farm have percent of infection at 60%, and morphology is much mucus. Ectoparasites, there were 3 kinds of ectoparasites were found: Arculus, Dactylogyrus, and the Conina. From Khon fish has a white spot disease and unmovable status. From Ichyopterias, Dactylogyrus, and Centrocystus, Sawatong, unmovable status but no ectoparasite. They are associated with parasite and morphology because of this parasite have anchor to when it's infected fish will have much mucus to them. And Echopterias is the cause of white spot disease. The conclusion: 5 genera of external parasites were found, including Arculus, Dactylogyrus, Centrocystus, Diconina, and Echopterias. Agulus is crustacean parasite in class Brachyura. It can see with the naked eye. And if affected fish have path of hemorrhage and edematous affected skin or fins. A vehicle for other fish diseases including dropsy. Yes, dropsy. And this is fish that have agulus in the toilet. Yes, agulus on this video. It's on a large microscope. And Dacryogerus is a monogenic parasite. It's very small. Found in the gill, on the gill of cyprinidae fish, including goldfish. Dacryogerus may have symptoms that include inflamed gills, excessive mucus secretion, and accelerated respiration, causing a secondary infection too. And it's Dacryogerus. Then, Centrocystus digenean parasite. Is intestinal. The principal of this parasite is mammal, including human. It can infect human. And fish is a secondary intermediate host. Then Trichodina. Trichodina is protozoa, commonly found with Dacryogerus, and usually indicates poor water quality. The last, Issf. Issf is protozoa caused by spot disease. It is projected about 2 months in water. Thanks to development and promotion of Science Technology Talent Project for financial support. Thanks my advisor, Mr. Jit Buddhi and Mr. Panahumi for valuable advice and continuous support. Thanks my family and my friends, and thank you for your attention.
If you collect the goldfish out of Khon province, do you think that you find different types of the ectoparasites? Thank you. Do you think that if you collect the goldfish out of the Khon province, do you think that you find different sort of the parasites?
I think it's maybe the same because parasites are specific with the host. Many of them are specific. Thank you.
According to your result, how do you use your result to decrease the net weight of goldfish in the future? According to your result, how do you think to decrease the goldfish net weight in the future?
When we buy new fish, we should don't bring fish that infected. They have a parasite to a healthy fish because it can go from one fish to another fish, and yes.